NFPA 101, the Life Safety Code, Section 17.8.4.1 states that emergency shut-off devices shall be provided for each cooking appliance installed in a healthcare occupancy. Section 17.8.4.1 specifies that emergency shut-off devices shall be accessible from outside the room or area where the cooking appliances are located and manually activate within 60 seconds of activation. The International Fire Code, specifically Chapter 10 on Fire Protection Systems, Section 1014.3, also mandates that emergency shut-off devices shall be provided for cooking appliances in healthcare occupancies. Furthermore, Section 1014.3.1 states that emergency shut-off devices shall be located outside the cooking area and activate within 60 seconds of activation. Regarding NEC requirements for wiring methods in therapy rooms and dining rooms, the NEC does not explicitly address wiring methods in these specific areas. However, generally accepted wiring methods include HCF cable and metal conduit. HCF, or healthcare facilities cable, is a flexible, non-metallic cable rated for use in healthcare facilities. It contains copper conductors with a fluoropolymer insulation. Metal conduit serves as a metallic raceway through which conductors are routed and protected. Several additional considerations are important. The emergency shut-off device should be clearly labeled and easily accessible to staff in the event of an emergency. The wiring method used should be in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions and local building codes. It is always recommended to consult with a qualified electrician to ensure that the wiring and emergency shut-off device meet all applicable requirements. In summary, the Life Safety Code and the International Fire Code both require emergency shut-off devices for cooking appliances in healthcare occupancies. These devices must be accessible, activate quickly, and be located appropriately. While the NEC doesn't specifically dictate wiring methods for therapy and dining rooms, HCF cable and metal conduit are generally accepted. Always prioritize safety, accessibility, and compliance with codes and manufacturer instructions, and consult with a qualified electrician.